a guide you to delete your second account on your Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. Now let's see whether two accounts are linked or not. So if you tap on this little profile, here you can see two accounts are logged in, and you can go to the account center by tapping on three lines, and here you can find account center. If you scroll down, you can find sharing across profiles. Here see three profiles has been linked to one another, and now if you need to delete the account, go for searching deletion or deactivation. So that will take us to the page of deleting account. So now here you can find two of your Instagram accounts. Now you can select which account that you could delete. So if you tap on, this is my first account, this is my secondary account. So if I tap on delete account and continue, here that will ask for any of the reason that you deleting the account. So you can tap on continue, and here you can download your information, or otherwise you can transfer a copy of yours, and after hitting continue, the account will be permanently deleted. This is how you can delete second account on Instagram. Thank you.